Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's free advertising for you video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profit and affiliate commissions have recently come in. And I'd like to note that even as a free member, you can earn affiliate commissions, excuse me, and you can get into profit. So let's just take you inside the members area here. And I've been using this site now for a couple of years, and I also love the automation of the traffic. You can get autopilot traffic once you set all your systems up. So it's a great traffic site, especially if you're a beginner and you don't want to, you're on a tight budget, you don't want to buy any traffic, you want to use free traffic sources, and that's how I started. So let's go into the menu on the left-hand side down here. I'm going to go into affiliate tools, and we're going to go into commissions. So I'll just blur out the members' information here for privacy. And it says here my commissions. This is the amount here in the left-hand column. So just blurring out members' information here for privacy. And you'll see there's a couple of different commissions here. You can earn one at $12.95, one here for $26.95. So this is when free members are upgrading, and that's even as a free member. If your referrals upgrade, you can earn these affiliate commissions. Now, what I like about it is if you don't want to accept the money, then what you can do is you can trade your commissions for advertising credits. But what the owner, Jason, does, he will double the value of what you would normally get if you were to buy any credits. You can buy credits, you don't have to do that. I'm going to show you, just jump over here a little bit. Let's just jump over here. I want to show you, I'm going to put a link in the description where you can get 800,000 free credits every single month. So if you watch this video here that I did previously, I go inside the members area and I show you how to get 800,000 free credits. That's free traffic every single month. And that's really one of the great features about this free advertising for you system. Now, what you'll see here, it says you have 5 million. If you look at it, it's in quite small font. You can read that. I just highlight that. You have 5 million credits to buy ads. Now, you're not going to be buying ads. You're going to be exchanging those credits for ads. Now, I let my credits build up because when you build them up, you can get a better quality of traffic. There's lots of different ways you can advertise, but you don't have to do that. You can use them straight away. So I'm going to probably over the weekend, I'm going to trade those in for some really good quality autopilot traffic. So a great way to get free traffic and a great way to get consistent free traffic. And let me show you as an affiliate how you can get referrals. Go into affiliate tools here. Affiliate tool, I think it's this one here, affiliate tools. And then we come down here and we go into promotion tools. So they've got some great done for you tools, and they've got a lot of tools you can just give away that'll get you referrals. Now what they do is you've got a username here, but they put your username into your links automatically. So all you do is just copy and paste these links, and then there's all these splash pages here you can promote. This is one that I like. This is one that I give away. This is a special report splash page. Now what you do is, all you do is just copy and paste this link here. Now you can put a tracking link on the end if you wish to do so, if you want to see where your referrals are coming from, but you don't have to do that. Now that link there, I'll just show you this report. It's absolutely superb. And all you do is just give this away. Now this is a report here by the owner of Free Advertising for You, Jason. It's a 7-figure earner, and then what it's doing, it's teaching your prospects 5 things that they must do to succeed with free advertising sites. And it also gives them a video on getting over $300. So you're giving away free advertising as well. You're not just giving away some value in the free report. You're also giving away free advertising as well. So when they download or opt in, when they click on there, they go into the report by Jason. So you've got 7-figure earner training on how to get the best out of free advertising, video tutorial that lasts 11 minutes here. And then down here, showing you proof of results as well. And then down here, this is a 13-minute video. So you're getting 25 minutes of video content. Now, when it says here, click here to join free advertising for you, your affiliate link is built into that link. So you don't have to do anything apart from promote one link, and that's how you can start to get referrals. And then when your referrals upgrade, you can get into profit as an affiliate. And then if you want to reinvest a percentage and upgrade yourself, you've got an option to do that. So some great tools within the affiliate section of free advertising for you. Let me have a look over here. Where were we? Over here. So let me show you, if you're brand new to this site, it's really important to understand how to get the most from it. So what you do is you join through the link in the description, set up a free account, and the first thing you do really is go to 9 steps to success down here. And then what this does, this shows you how to succeed with, he calls it FAFY, stands for free advertising for you. And then all you do is get your free advertising. So you're going to get all your free ads. And there's video tutorials, how to earn credits, how to set your ads up. So if you're brand new to the industry, if you're new to affiliate marketing, it teaches you in these tutorials how to set your ads up, getting traffic, how to promote, how to upgrade to pro. So you get a free upgrade, not promote, sorry. You get a free upgrade to pro. Join the exclusive 1K club. You've got a downline builder where you can put other offers in, profile links, how to promote, and a newsletter. And so Jason's, it's really beginner friendly. All the tutorials and information's on there. And then you just come down the menu down here and have a look at all these. You can win ads in cash, there's free gifts, discounted ad packages. If you want to upgrade to gold, you can upgrade to gold. There's a how do I section here. I like this. How do I? So help with the common tasks here. Okay, so lots of really beginner friendly information. Now also, if I click over here, you'll see I'm in a website called similarweb.com. Now what similarweb.com does, it gives you all the stats and data on websites online. And you'll see here I'm in the free advertising for you information area. Now the country, this is where the traffic's coming from for free advertising for you. And you see the traffic is 98% from the USA. So you're getting quality traffic as well to your offers. So just a short video today, just to show you how you can get some good free traffic, and also how you can earn affiliate commissions as a free member. And there will be an income and product disclaimer in the description. I'm not going to make any income claims, product claims or guarantees in this video. It is for educational purposes only. And if you've enjoyed today's video, please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that. And that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you'd like to see some more how to make money online videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon to get notified of all my uploads here on my channel. So I'm currently doing several new uploads every week. And if you've got any questions or comments about today's video, please put those in the comments below and I'll answer those for you. I always put my email address in the description if you'd like to send me an email, and I reply to you as soon as I can. So there'll be a link in the description. Just come and have a look. Have a look at free advertising for you. Come in here and just set a free account up. Get yourself some free traffic. Get your free ads. Learn how to advertise your sites. You can even earn credits if you've got a bit of spare time to earn some credits, and then go into affiliate tool, start promoting, and then you can earn some affiliate commissions as a free member. So a great all-round traffic site, great all-round affiliate program. I highly recommend it. I've been using this now for quite some time, and you'll see there. Yeah, just notice that there, 800,000 free bonus credits. There's a little, that's a new icon I think is put in there. So it's all here for you, and thanks very much for taking the time to watch this video today, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.